adventures. Today we're at the Canadian International Auto Show. Today we will be seeing 75 years of Porsche, a life-size Lego Technic Lamborghini, and life-size Hot Wheel cars. Come on, let's go!
Think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else. No. But they all see is you need help. But still you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away, and you gotta watch your back, and that's the facts. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around, all you get is cold shoulder. Yeah, you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. Yeah.
Oh my God. Let's go. Or look at this. Movie cars. We're at the 80s and 90s car show area. Wait 1 second, I've been waiting all day for this. To see some retro cars. On to the next one.
Swing your leg, yeah. is called a Radical.
How fast does it go? What's the horsepower?
So the horsepower is very low. It's around 200 horsepower, but they weigh about 1,400 pounds, so they're very light. What makes it very special is that it can do a turn at 220 kilometers an hour. So these Radicals race in a one-make series. In Canada, it's called FEL, RCC Championship. And we also race in the North American Championship, which consists of 4 races with IndyCar. It will actually be at Toronto Indy this year with both of these cars.
Have you ever raced in this
I have driven these cars myself. I own both of them. I'm the team owner, but I have never raced one.
Thanks, man.
Nice meeting you. Thank you for your time. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Hold on, Q. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actress. I don't fall for it.
We're in the Porsche exhibition. 75 years of Porsche.
It's time to take a vitamin, yeah, invite them in. Welcome to the Lions.
This model's Porsche was made in 1952.
See me raising the stock up, yeah. So baby, you gonna need some patience. I already won, now I'm just
This
making a
Porsche was
statement.
made in 1962, and it is Janis Joplin's painted car.
For the celebrations, and I ain't fishing, I ain't really into baiting. I know they all wish I take away they made it, but sorry I'm taking me and my lady mating. She looked me in the eyes and tell me how much she loving on my confidence, yeah. It really shouldn't be no arguments. Cause
This Porsche right here was made in 1970, and it's when Porsche started making race cars.
Yeah, that's right. Look, I think it's time you start using your common sense. Everybody watch out, cause the bomb is lit. I got that confidence, that's right. Confidence, yeah.
This is the 1981 Porsche 924 GTR, and it was actually the very first car with a water-cooled engine.
I even keep a close eye on my brothers, cause sometimes it's your blood that turn into blood suckers, yeah. And I'm on a big mission. My whole team got a plate up in the kitchen, yeah. I'm talking everything, I make all the fixings, yeah. They come a long way from where they come up missing. I blame it on my...
This is the 1969 Porsche 917 LH, aka the Longtail.
Time, no need for thank yous. The pleasure is all mine. That's my confidence. Yeah, that's right. No downplay.
That was 75 years of Porsche. Let's go to the next section.
As a compliment. I got that confidence. Come on now.
Right now, we are walking into the life-size Hot Wheels area. That's a cool car. All right, thanks, man. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, she's clapping! Yay! She's clapping! Yay! were taking to the bridge to get to the other side of the building.
Oh, I remember this part. That part was like, I didn't.
Now we're in the north building to explore all the other exhibits. Kiss. That's the fun part. Type of Jeep will we get? The regular one? Oh,
Don't forget to find your group of
so you like hang out.
children. You're all going together.
No, first.
Got to the extra man.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're high. Oh, we're really high. Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh.
Real fun now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, let's get up.
Alright, ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, we're sideways. Oh my gosh.
All right, check that out. 25 degrees right there. No
Wow.
center of gravity makes us be able to do that without rolling over.
Oh my gosh.
All right, we're good to go. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh wow. This is a real hill. Oh, we're straight down.
That is awesome.
Let's go up the stairs.
Now we're gonna climb the stairs. The elevator's broken today, so we gotta take the stairs.
Oh, it's bumpy. Oh my gosh.
All right, there we go. How's that, guys?
Hi.
Is that fun?
That was great.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right.
That was fun. It was more fun than scary. Yeah. Where did we go? That was fun. That was super fun. Really fun.
You guys ready to race?
Yeah.
And all of them are going back.
We're doing 3 laps.
Think you're on a real track.
I'm thirsty. Wait, you can spin.
Downstairs.
A wheel? Oh. Do a big spin.
Big money, big money.
Come on, come on. This is the Price is Right. I like to thank my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, everyone. True or false? Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you. I got this. We had a great time at the Toronto Auto Show. We both enjoyed going in cars and looking at them. See you at the next adventure. Bye!